name is Alex with Hennessey Performance. We're in a 2018 GMC Denali with our HPE650 package. It's got a supercharger on it, which is going to give us some more of those horsepowers. Alright, so we're going to head into a roll right here and just see how it does. I want to talk about is it's got a Brembo brake upgrade that we do, but it's not our typical 6-piston in the front upgrade. It's actually Brembo's massive 8-piston brake calipers that they do. Being in a big heavy SUV, you know, you can put horsepower in it and everything, but sometimes you worry about, are you going to be able to stop? Worry no longer, because these brakes can slow this puppy down very quickly and efficiently, and can do it time after time after time. Here we go for our braking tests. We're going to roll into it on the back corner heading into the straightaway, and then we're going to hit the brakes really hard. Let's see what happens. These brakes are really impressive, oh my gosh. It's outrageous how fast you can stop with these things on there. You know, I think the perfect customer for this is somebody who kind of wants a Swiss Army knife, carry their family around, lug the groceries, the dogs, maybe even tow their boat, but also wants performance, and not just horsepower and speed, but also safety and stopping. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like this. My name is Alex with Hennessey. I'll see you next time.